Hey guys, welcome back to HubClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discuss with you Synoshi Power Spin Scrubber review. So, in this case, you might be wondering what is the Synoshi Power Scrubber here? Well, there are a few things that you may want to know. So, Synoshi here is a cordless handheld electric spin scrubber built for cleaning tiles, sinks, bathtubs, cookware, cars, and similar surfaces. Now, it's L-shaped with a brush head attached at the pointed end and runs on a rechargeable 1200 mAh lithium battery charged via USB-C. Now, it's rated IPX5 for water resistance, meaning it can handle splashes or running water. Though the manufacturer notes it shouldn't be fully submerged. Now, basically, it's water resistant. Now, it comes with a 2-speed motor here, a lower speed for lighter everyday cleaning, and a higher speed for tougher grind. Now, the ships with the interchangeable brush heads for different jobs, and a round brush here for large flat surfaces like tiles and countertops, and cone-shaped brush for tight corners and crevices, and additional heads like a scoring pad here, magic eraser style pad, or steel bristle brush available depending on the kit. Now, each suited for different surface types. Steel bristle for outdoor rough surfaces only, and magic eraser tabs for delicate painted surfaces, and so on. Now, how do you exactly start using it? So in this case, first is you want to charge the device fully via USB-C, detach the brush head appropriate for the surface, or attach the appropriate head for it for whatever you're cleaning right as of right now, and hold the device against the surface while pressing the power button to activate the spin action. No significant pressure is needed here, so there's also an optional soap dispenser attachment or that lets you basically apply cleaning solution directly through the device while scrubbing. Now, care instructions vary by brush head here. Some are dishwasher safe, washed separately from dishes. Others should be rinsed with warm water and air dried. And the maker recommends always testing an unfamiliar or delicate surface in a hidden spot first, just to see how it actually performs. Now, on the pricing side here, now, this product is sold across multiple similarly branded sites, so prices here vary a lot. So listings commonly show a single unit price between roughly around $20 to around $37. It totally depends. With multi-unit bundles bringing the per unit price down further, for example, like 3 or 4 units often land somewhere between 50 to 90 total. So depending on the current promotion. So most official listings include a 30-day money-back return window. But that's about it. If you found this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.